Top BCCI sources have confirmed to your channel that all state associations are reluctant to host Pakistan for the Women's World Cup. Sources have told your channel that the security of women's team cannot be guaranteed due to heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. And we have Harini with us on the phone line. Harini, if you can give us more details.
Well, what we are hearing is that most of the state associations are pretty reluctant to host the Women's World Cup, especially with Pakistan team's participation. Mumbai was earlier scheduled to host the Women's World Cup, which begins in 15 days' time. However, we have spoken to some of the BCCI officials, and ICC has currently two options in front of them. ICC is also closely monitoring the current situation in India to see if there is any possibility of hosting and continuing with the tournament in India itself. While that remains an option, but what we are hearing just a day after Modi-led Gujarat Cricket Association refused to host Pakistan, most of the state associations do not want to, at this point of time, keeping the current scenario and situation in mind, take that risk of hosting Pakistan, which will be, of course, part of the Women's World Cup at this point of time as we speak. However, we are expecting ICC to take a final decision by later today to decide what exactly will be the next course of action. Will they still continue to hold the World Cup in India remains to be seen. However, that will also require the clearance from the departments if ICC decides to continue and decides to host the tournament in India itself.
Right, Harini, how many state associations have turned down hosting the Pakistan team for Women's World Cup?
Well, what we know is that Gujarat Cricket Association, Mr. Narendra Modi's association, has, of course, officially issued a statement on Wednesday stating that they are reluctant to host the Pakistan team. In fact, that was one of the options that was being looked at by the concerned authorities if the matches could not happen in Mumbai. Some of the matches off the pool of Pakistan could be moved to Ahmedabad, but now that's ruled out. While some of the board state associations have verbally confirmed to BCCI that they will not be in a position to assure 100% foolproof security, keeping the current situation in mind. However, it remains to be seen. What we are hearing from our sources within the ICC is that ICC is closely monitoring the situation as the situation unfolds in India and Pakistan, and they are hopeful that by the end of today there could be an official announcement or there could be a decision that would be reached upon if the ICC Women's World Cup